Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by cleaning the sticker and surrounding paint. Dirt traps heat and causes uneven removal. Once done, heat the sticker evenly with a hair dryer or a heat gun set low, about 200 degrees F maximum, and keep the source moving to avoid paint damage. While the adhesive softens, use a plastic scraper to lift one corner or slide dental floss under the edge in a sawing motion. This lets you get under without metal contact, and it reduces the risk of scratching clear coat. You now focus on the sticky residue left behind. The why is simple. Adhesive will attract dirt and dull finish. Apply an adhesive remover or 90% isopropyl alcohol to a microfiber cloth and press it onto the residue, letting it sit for 30 to 60 seconds. Once softened, wipe and gently scrape with a plastic tool. Reheat small stubborn patches if needed. If adhesive is gummy, switch to a citrus solvent and make sure to test a hidden area so paint isn't harmed. You finish by washing the area with mild soap and water, then dry and polish or apply wax to restore gloss. This protects the clear coat and seals any micro scratches. If paint lifted or feels rough, stop. Use a clay bar and gentle polish to smooth it, and consult a pro for serious clear coat damage. If a sticker refuses to budge, reapply heat for longer intervals or switch to a stronger solvent. But work cautiously and test often to avoid harming the paint.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.